The San Diego Zoo is one of the world's most famous zoos. From giant pandas to roaring lions, we're going to explore what makes it one of the top wildlife destinations on the planet. Whether you're planning a visit, looking for the best exhibits to see, or just curious about what the San Diego Zoo offers, this guide and overview will cover all you need to know, from tickets and logistics, touring the park, top animal encounters, and hidden gems you won't want to miss. This is the San Diego Zoo Guide and Overview. The San Diego Zoo is 100 acres located in downtown San Diego, California in Balboa Park. This zoo boasts over 12,000 animals representing over 680 rare and endangered species. The San Diego Zoo is also an accredited botanical garden as well, and it has over 700,000 plants. The zoo hours are generally 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., but hours do change seasonally, so check the website for updated information. Now, parking at the San Diego Zoo is free and is located right next to the front entrance, as well as the rideshare pickup and drop-off area. In terms of tickets, one-day tickets at the San Diego Zoo are $76 for ages 12 plus and $66 for kids. Children under 3 are free. There are multiple day passes for both the zoo and the sister safari park for $128 and $118 for children. There's also a couple different membership options as well. Aside from the base ticket, there are upgraded experiences available as well for an upcharge. This includes various tours such as the Discovery Cart Tour, guided walking tours, behind-the-scene animal exhibits and care, and VIP experiences. Now, tickets can be purchased online at the entrance gate or at the various kiosks out front. There's also a San Diego Zoo app, which is great for planning. This has a map, planning features, and a lot more. So definitely consider downloading the app before your visit. In terms of accessibility, the zoo has stroller, wheelchair, and ACV rentals as well. Now, the San Diego Zoo is rather large, and there will be lots of walking, potentially over 5 miles easily, and there are large hills as well, so plan accordingly. The zoo offers a double-decker bus tour of the park. The bus tour takes about 35 to 45 minutes and is included in your ticket. The entrance to the bus tour is by the main entrance and does not require a reservation. Strollers are not allowed on the bus tour, but there is stroller parking nearby. The Skyfari, which is also included in the ticket, is an aerial tram with amazing views of the zoo, Balboa Park, and downtown San Diego. The tram brings you from the east end of the zoo to the west end of the zoo and vice versa. Strollers are allowed on the safari so long as they can be folded up. Now, in terms of the layout of the park, to the right of the main entrance is the urban jungle and outback areas. Here you will find giraffes, rhinos, cheetahs, a variety of bears, koalas, and much more. Directly next door is the Africa Rocks and Elephant Odyssey areas. Africa Rocks is home to several African species, a botanical garden area with lots of species of cactus and desert plants. In terms of animals, there are baboons, all sorts of monkeys, leopards, lions, camels, and a large penguin exhibit, and of course, elephants. As you continue, you will see mountain lions, wolves, and you'll see the Skyfari West station as well. The northern frontier lies to the northern part of the park, and this is where you will find all sorts of Arctic animals, including the polar bear exhibit. The Asian Passage area has access to the Eagle Trail, some Asian cats, and of course pandas. This area of the park is considered the lower area, and there is elevator access that will bring you to the above Treetops Plaza and Basher Bridge. Treetops Plaza has restaurants, Price Education Center, and access to the monkey, the hippo, and the tiger trails. This is considered the Lost Forest themed area. Here you will find a variety of different monkeys, the gorilla exhibit, bird aviaries, crocodiles, and access to the tiger and hippo exhibits. To the left of the entrance is the Main Street area, which has a variety of shops and vendors. The Reptile House, Komodo Kingdom, and the Wildlife Explorers Base Camp. The Wildlife Explorers Base Camp area has a huge play area, a splash pad, in addition, the East Skyfaria stop is over in this way as well. In terms of shows, the San Diego Zoo offers a 4D theater experience for an upcharge. This is a 4D cinematic experience that is $8 a person and can be purchased ahead of time or at the entrance of the theater, across from the Skyfari West. There are also many other wildlife ambassador shows at different areas of the park, such as Africa Rock Stage, the Radiant Ambassador presentation area, and the Wedgeforth Bowl. Each stage usually has one show per day, so check the app or the website for updated show times. The Wildlife Ambassador shows will be an interactive experience with the different animals all throughout the park. In terms of dining, there are several restaurants all over the park with a variety of food options. Albert's Restaurant, located in Treetop Plaza, is the lone full-service restaurant. The menu has a variety of options from wings, salads, entrees such as salmon, chicken, piccata, chicken sandwiches, and more. In addition, there are lots of adult beverages to choose from as well. Reservations are also accepted to Albert's. There's also 9 casual dining options as well, such as a bistro, Asian, Mexican, pizza, American grills, and sandwich shops. In addition, there's about 20 counter service / quick bite options all throughout the park, with everything from adult drinks, snacks, desserts, and coffee. Shopping. There are 4 main gift shops near the entrance of the zoo: the Kids Store, Zootiki, the Roar Shop, and Sydney's Shop. There are also several other areas all throughout the park with smaller shops, with different theming and merch from the areas that they're in. The San Diego Zoo also has special events seasonally. The Nighttime Zoo, which runs usually from the end of May to August, this event is included with the ticket and has all different live entertainment throughout the park. Jungle Bells is a Christmas and holiday themed event at the San Diego Zoo. Again, this event is also included in your ticket price, and it has all different holiday themed lights and entertainment, including Santa's Factory, where you get a chance to meet Santa. So all in all, the San Diego Zoo is a must-do experience when visiting Southern California. I hope you found this video useful for your upcoming trip. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and we'll see you guys next time.